Welcome back to another exciting episode on another very windy day to teach you how to change out an electric motor on the deck of the Ryobi zero-turn electric mower. So come along and see how we get that done. There we go. Take off the blade. Now if you notice here, you have a bolt on either side with a nut coming up, but you have just a bolt going down, and that's on both sides, as you see here. So you have like reverse bolts, two going down, two coming up. So when we take off the motor, go ahead and get your socket adapter if you need it, and a 10mm socket. Then we go ahead and take all these off. Don't forget, on the other side as well, you got to make sure you bolt this down as well. And then what that does is it takes off the shield, that loosens this up so you can get back to those bolts. Cover comes off. That exposes the nuts on either side. Now you can take the other two bolts off. And then when all the bolts are out, it just comes right out. And when you get a replacement motor, normally it doesn't have the attachment on it that the blade goes on. All you do, it just pulls right off, and just put it right on the other one. You just simply reverse the process. Line up your holes. Make sure your cable's going in. Getting the first nut on is always the hardest. But what you do, it's easy peasy. Just make sure everything's tightened down, and then you're ready to put the blade on. And that's how you change out a blade motor on the deck of a Ryobi zero-turn mower. And as always, have a great day.